Good evening. I am Kalyan Chakravarti, Director of KalyanIAS.com. This is a premier online coaching institution for civil service examination plus Group 1 and Group 2 services of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And we also provide coaching for SI of Police for both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And we provide coaching in both English medium as well as Telugu medium. Now, I would like to invite you for a seminar, rather a webinar that I am going to conduct now with respect to APPSC Group 2 English Medium batch. So, we are going to announce and we are going to start a new and fresh batch for APPSC Group 2 English Medium. And this batch is going to be started from January 27th onwards. January 27th, 2021. As you all know, the APPSC is gearing up to release the notifications. At any moment, anything may happen and the notifications may be released. So, I would like all the serious aspirants who have not yet joined, please utilize this opportunity. And this is a fantastic platform, and you must be knowing about KalyanIAS.com and the quality of services that we provide with respect to the various examinations coaching. Now, as far as January 27th batch is concerned, this is exclusive for English medium Group 2 APPSC. And we are going to deal with every topic in detail. Whatever the topics that are given in the syllabus, every topic will be covered in detail, and you don't require to read any other material or textbook from outside. And I am speaking to you with respect to Group 2 batch, right? So, we'll be giving you the classes, and the classes will be with utmost quality. Every faculty member, whoever may be dealing with any subject, maybe history, maybe geography, maybe reasoning, or any other subject, every faculty member is an extraordinary faculty member, and everybody is going to deliver with the highest quality so that you will be understanding the subject very easily. And after listening to our classes, material will also be provided to you, and you can download the material, take the printout, and you can start reading this. Apart from this, free practice test will also be provided to you once we start this particular program. Enough practice tests will be provided to you so that will be giving you complete practice with respect to the forthcoming Group 2 examination. And I would like to show you the details with respect to this particular batch, which is to be commenced from January 27th, 2021. And stay tuned. I am opening the document. Kindly have a look at this. So, this is the batch for APPSC, new batch for Group 2, English medium from January 27th, 2021. I repeat, this is the new batch exclusive for Group 2, APPSC, English medium batch. Okay, so you may please take a pic of this if you want. And I would like to show you the other details, like the fee. As far as the fee is concerned, the fee is actually 19,000 rupees. 19,000 is the actual fees, but currently we are offering this at 9,900 rupees. And kindly remember, this particular offer is valid up to January 27th, 2021. So, on that particular day, that is the last date, you can pay 9,900 rupees and you can join the course, and you are getting the great discount. And after that, the fee is going to be enhanced. Second doubt what you will have is the validity of the course. How long you can watch the videos? Kindly see here, starting from January 27th onwards, every day 6 o'clock in the evening, our classes will be uploaded in the site. You can watch those classes. What happens if you miss the class any day? No problem. Every class will be available to you on the site. Every class will be available to you on the site. You can watch as many times as possible, and you can watch repetitively if you have any doubt with respect to any particular class, and all the classes will be available to you till the completion of the examination. Notification will be there, and after that, till the completion of examination, you can access this. And whatever I am speaking now, that is with respect to English medium batch. And in this course, you are also getting downloadable PDF material and non-downloadable test. You are going to get it. But how do you pay the fees? You can pay the fee through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. So this is the number you can see on the screen, 9246365622. This is my Google Pay number, Phone Pay number, Paytm number. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my mobile number. Okay, after the payment is done, please send the details to my WhatsApp number. This is the same WhatsApp number. Please take a pic of this. You have to send your name, you have to give your mobile number for the purpose of WhatsApp, so that information will be shared with you frequently through WhatsApp. We require your mail ID, state, mention Andhra Pradesh very clearly, course meaning group 2, and also mention medium, right? Of course, we are offering for English medium. Anybody who wants to join for Telugu medium also, you may join. All the classes are ready and all the classes will be provided. But as far as this seminar is concerned, I am speaking exclusively about the Group 2 APPSC English medium batch. That is going to be new batch to be started from January 27th onwards. Please take a pic of this and also make a note of this. Last date is January 27th. After that, fee will be enhanced to 19,000 rupees. So kindly inform your friends or known people and tell them to join at the earliest to avail this opportunity. Look at this. Please take a pic of this. This is our website name. This is my mobile number, WhatsApp number. This is my mail ID. All the information is available to you. You can take a pic of this. Now another one, the most important thing, definitely everybody is interested to know who are the faculty members. Look at this. If you look at the faculty members, Indian history will be handled by a gentleman by name Prajwal. Excellent and extraordinary faculty member for Indian history. You can be assured every topic that is given in the syllabus will be taught to you in such a manner that you will be understanding every concept easily. In the similar manner, another fantastic faculty for Indian and AP Geography, Mr. Vijay. These faculty members, they are extraordinary and experts at their respective subjects. They deliver the subject with ease. They clear the fundamentals. They clear the concepts so that you will be ready for the examination. Next one, science and technology is going to be handled by me. Disaster management I am going to handle. Environment and sustainable management I am going to handle. Logical reasoning and data analysis is handled by Mr. Narayana and others. Current affairs, as you know, I am going to take it up. Another important topic, bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh, I am going to handle it. Indian polity, as mentioned in paper number 2, I am going to handle it. AP history paper 2, right? So this is going to be handled by the same gentleman who handles Indian history, Mr. Prajwal. Indian economy, which is part of paper 3, is going to be handled by me. This is considered to be one paper which is difficult for many of this. But our previous batch students, they understood Indian economy and AP economy completely thoroughly, and now they are ready to give the examination. Right? And this batch is also going to be handled in the same manner. Right? And the forthcoming budget, forthcoming economic survey, social and economic survey of Andhra Pradesh, budget of Andhra Pradesh, everything is going to be covered in detail. Central plans, state plans, all the things are going to be covered here. So AP economy, which is again part of paper 3, that's also going to be handled by me. If you want, you may take the pick of this. And please make a note. So I have listed out all the 12 subjects here. All classes are conducted afresh. All classes are conducted afresh except 1, 2, 6 and 10. Meaning except Indian history, except Indian and AP geography, except logical reasoning and data analysis, and 10th one AP history. Apart from this, rest all will be conducted afresh, because as far as these subjects are concerned, they have been dealt by our honorable faculty members very recently. These classes are also afresh classes. Since there are no changes, those classes will be given to you as it is. But the rest of the classes like Indian polity or economy, AP economy, S&T, disaster management, rest of all the subjects will be taught to you afresh. Please make a note of this. Right, the moment you know, the moment you join, you will get access to these subjects. And the fresh classes will be started from January 27th onwards. Right, now, look at this. What do you get in the course? This is one doubt everybody will have, right? And you will have extraordinary faculty members, complete syllabus coverage. This is our hallmark. Downloadable PDF material will be provided to you. Regular practice tests will be provided to you. And the access will be provided till the completion of the examination. Regular updates will be provided to you from time to time, and you will be intimated through WhatsApp. And please make a note of this. While accessing the classes, you have to access the classes only from one device. Using two devices is not permitted. Please make a note of this. Am I clear? Let it be anybody, whoever is joining. Please make a note. You will have access only to one device. Maybe laptop, maybe desktop, maybe tab, maybe mobile. Right, that's up to you, but only one device will be provided for the access. You may be getting a doubt. What happens if that device gets damaged? No problem. If that gets damaged, please inform us and we will provide the access to your new device. Nothing to worry. But for the purpose of security, changing the mobiles will not be, changing the devices is not permitted. Am I clear? So kindly make a note, very, very clear. So these are the details with respect to, this particular course. And now I would like to show you, this is our website, kalyanias.com, otherwise onlineias.com. In the menu bar, you may come down here, APPSC. In the drop down, you can look at APPSC Group 2. Fine. So here you can watch the demos if you want. These demos of the earlier batch. Clear? You can have a look at the syllabus. Then you can go for the registration. Meaning you can pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay, or you can log into our site, open our site and get registered from here. That is up to you. And after you get registered, then you will be getting the access. Am I clear? So how you can pay through net banking, you can use your credit card, debit card, RuPay card, so many things are there. In whatever may be the procedure you wanted to join, that's up to you. Fine. And if you want to have a look at the syllabus, please look at the syllabus. So this is for paper 1. Everything is going to be covered. Everything. Right? And this is the paper 2. Social and Cultural History of Andhra Pradesh, Indian Constitution, followed by paper 3, Indian Economy, and followed by AP Economy. As I told you, everything is going to be covered in detail. So, take a quick decision, join as early as possible, and the moment you join, you will get the access to AP History, Indian History, Indian Geography, right? And you will also get the access to the reasoning part. and the rest of the topics are going to be started from January 27th onwards. And kindly remember, from January 27th onwards, the fresh classes you can access from 6 o'clock in the evening, and all the classes will be available to you till you finish your examination. And up to January 27th only, the fee will be 9,900. After that, that is going to be enhanced. That is the reason why I wish all of you to join as early as possible and avail the best of the coachings that is available for APPSC Group 2. Thank you so much, and I wish you all a very, very, very good luck, and see you from January 27th, 2021 onwards. Take very good care.